Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo baby triple header. The Kupo triple header consists of a baby 5/8 inch receiver on the bottom in the center and 5 baby pins, 3 on top and 2 on the bottom. The neck of each baby pin is knurled to prevent rotation and to lock the light fixture in place. Need the punch of 5 Fresnels but only have 1 C-stand? No problem. The baby triple header can mount up to 5 lights or fixtures or accessories with baby receivers in close proximity to one another. Alternatively, you can remove the tension knob and convert the baby receiver into a junior pin. Let's mount 5 Ari Fresnels on the baby triple header. Slide the baby receiver of the triple header onto our C-stand. Now we will mount the 5 hot lights onto the baby pins. Let's start with the 3 on top. That was easy. Now we'll hang the last 2 on the bottom pins. Perfect. A couple of safety cables to prevent death and catastrophe in the studio. Make sure you bag your stand well for peace of mind. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.